Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you something we've already seen quite a bit before, the Run tab on your spells. So when I go into the Agentic Company research spell that we made before, then if I type in our details, we're going to see it run. Now, nothing new here, but I want to point out a few things. So first off, your results are going to show here. Right now, there's just a progress bar because we're still loading the results while the research agent runs. And while the research agent is running, you can see that it's thinking, it's doing some stuff, generating new search terms, link to the website, reading its contents, and then doubling down. And in a moment, it's going to continue to write the summary. And there we go. Once that's done, then we're going to get that report back and it's going to show up here in the results. Now, this is called the spell run activity. Any step that you have in your spell is going to show here. And it has a couple states. If you see this little purple icon, that means it's done, like research agent just got. And then it can also be, if failed, it'll be a red X. You can also see if it was skipped. If you have a condition step or it doesn't follow down a path, then those steps will be skipped and that'll show up as a gray icon right there. And so, of course, now you can see that we have the research report that is outputted right here. That's pretty much it. This is a pretty simple video. The one last thing I want to show you is the history tab. So whenever you run from any type of run method, whether it's running directly or bulk or API or Slack extension or scheduled or anywhere else, you can always go to the history table on the spell page. I'll show you all the runs for this spell specifically. If I click on that entry, that latest one that we just ran, you can see a few values here, and we can see the same info that we did in the page itself. You can look into each step as well and see, oh, well, this was the research report that it gave me out. So you can kind of debug each step along the way. That's pretty much it for this video. In the next one, we're going to go over some of the other ways to run your spells.